The faces of these performers may be new to many, but ask any fans who are familiar with 80s cantopop and they will tell you that these tunes belong to Danny Chan-pak-keung and Leslie Cheung Kok Weng, two of the most idolized Hong Kong pop icons at the time. Danny and Leslie dominated the 80s Hong Kong music scene with about 600 songs under their belts. Years after their deaths, their songs and performances can still be heard over radio and seen on TV. Every year, Danny and Leslie's fans would also hold memorials on their birth and death anniversaries to remember the two legends. One such broadcast of Danny and Leslie's song over radio in 2006 prompted Hong Kong film and musical director Clifton Koh Chi Sam to write a musical to pay tribute to Danny, Leslie, and famed Hong Kong DJ and actor Po Chong Bo Lo.
電台有一日突然間放翻佢兩個人嘅歌，觸動到我一個好大嘅一個感觸。點解佢兩個咁年青就離開？更加重要嘅就係亦唔應該因為佢哋嘅離開，而佢哋所有嘅歌曲、佢哋嘅電影就應該係成為絕響。佢哋個歌曲係應該繼續有唔同嘅藝術形式，係可以將呢啲咁好嘅歌係可以繼續唱落去。
Clifton is known for directing Hong Kong comedies in the 80s and 90s, such as The Happy Ghost and the All's Well Ends Well series. He also directed a few creditable musicals, including I Have a Date with Spring. Clifton first got to know the trio back in 1980 when they worked on the movie Shooting Star together. He was only 20 years old then, and the movie was Clifton's first attempt in co-writing a screenplay. The director has since collaborated with both Danny and Leslie many times and became very close to them. Clifton's tribute to the trio is called Shooting Star the Musical. It depicts the rise and fall of three young men who were trying to make their names in show business.
我係根據我自己同佢哋嘅相識，係作為一種靈感，一個 inspiration， 係一個靈感刺激我去寫今次呢個音樂劇嘅故事。咁所以我好刻意話俾演員聽，你哋千祈唔好模仿 Leslie 嘅唱腔，或者模仿呢個 Danny 嘅陳百強嘅唱腔。其實你哋應該演員係要用自己嘅氣質，用自己嘅風格去唱啲歌。更加重要嘅係，由於我哋呢個係一個全新創作嘅故事咧，咁所以都係要根據角色喺個戲劇情節裏邊，喺嗰場戲裏邊嘅戲劇嘅情節同埋佢個角色嗰個情緒嚟到去唱嗰啲歌。
The director incorporates Danny and Leslie's songs to fit the storyline in the musical flawlessly.
咁我發覺最投入啲觀眾就係根本就你一路唱，佢一路望住歌詞，咁佢又輕輕喺度哼。去到上海最神奇啦！上海觀眾應該理論上係聽國語噶嘛，但原來佢哋對陳百強、張國榮嘅歌根本就係如數家珍，隻隻都識唱。上海觀眾唱得好投入嘅。咁你呢個就你都會睇得到，即係其實呢個雖然你話係一個原汁原味嘅香港文化嘅音樂劇，但係事實上亦都係根本喺華人社區呢啲歌係好觸動到，基本上係一個80年代、90年代嘅香港嘅代表作。
The director also reveals an anecdote about Leslie's first hit song, The Wind Blows On, which he included in this musical.
就張國榮係佢真係去醫院度，喺最後嗰個日子，睇住昏迷咗喺病床嘅陳百強，係望住病床上面嘅佢，係望咗個幾鐘。佢應該有好多回憶喺嗰個幾鐘裏邊。咁呢一場戲亦都係張國榮佢講翻呢一個咁樣嘅 moment 俾我聽，然後我將呢個 moment 啟發我寫喺音樂劇喝彩裏邊，唱嘅係風繼續吹，唱出嚟嘅時候，成隻歌已唔再係一首咩普通嘅情歌，而係寄託咗個友情喺背後。
Though saying that the musical is non-biographical, Clifton admits that the stars' deaths have incited him to highlight the struggles they went through when they were alive. Since he was closest to Leslie among the three, Clifton says he took it the hardest with Leslie's death.
Leslie 就係一個對自己要求好高，對藝術要求好嚴格嘅一個人。我未見過一個電影演員，佢喺戲裏戲外係會咁一致嘅。佢甚至會帶戲翻屋企。跟住我哋拍《家有喜事》，佢係一個好娘娘腔嘅一個男子啦。佢平時拍戲生活嘅時候，佢喺嗰個階段都係咁嘅，即係成個人都係嗰種形態嚟嘅。咁然後過咗2個月，咁我又約佢出嚟飲嘢啦。咁佢突然間胡鬚落得，靚仔呢排搞緊咩？連聲線都變埋。咁我你冇嘢嘛？你做咩？我呢排拍緊警匪片啊，做緊探長啊。佢個人嘅生活 個成個狀態，係同佢嗰陣時演緊嗰個戲係完全帶住一齊。所以當我嗰晚聽到佢離開啊，我秘書打俾我，電視新聞報咗啦。我第一句問我秘書，佢最後嗰部戲係拍乜嘢？
Watching his friends die at a fairly young age, Clifton says the musical was born to create awareness among youngsters about the harms brought by depression, addiction to gambling, and substance abuse. Despite the tragic ending to these shining stars, he hopes that Shooting Star the musical will be a concert that brings back all the good memories that Leslie, Danny, and Paul shared with their fans.
人係應該點樣去珍惜自己嘅生命？應該點樣活在當下？珍惜眼前人？點樣去繼續去堅持生命係一樣最寶貴嘅嘢，係我哋最需要係牢牢揸住嘅，好好發展我哋嘅生命，一份正能量。即係呢個都先至係我哋創作喝彩最希望傳達俾觀眾嘅一個最重要嘅一個訊息。
Since its debut 8 years ago, the musical has had more than 80 shows in different countries and received rave reviews. It debuted in Malaysia in 2009, and this time around, the audience will get to listen to 44 songs in total, 22 biggest hits each from Danny and Leslie. 迷惘裏永遠看不透，沒料到我所失的，竟已是我的所有。